Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Up first in business, the RJRGleaner Communications Group announced today that it has launched its 5th television station in the Cayman Islands. The new station is the first in a line of overseas TV offerings, which will be known as TVJ International. Group CEO Gary Allen made the announcement at the company's annual general meeting.
The RJRGleaner Group moving to cash in on its local content by exporting its signal overseas. 3 weeks ago, the group inked a deal to kickstart its TVJ International project, starting with the Cayman Islands.
We have, on the 12th of August this year, launched our 5th television channel. TVJ International was launched on that day. TVJ International is now being seen as a 24-hour station in the Cayman Islands, and that is content which is 100% developed from TVJ, TVJ Sports Network, RETV, and JNN.
Group CEO Gary Allen says the company has plans to expand its television business even further, eventually exporting its content to different continents.
And that's only starting with the neighbor, because Claire is already in negotiations with 2 other Caribbean territories, and there is talk about not territories anymore, but continents that are showing interest in getting that content.
But the group CEO noted that the issue of piracy is a major obstacle to its future plans.
If you own the content, you can monetize it globally. If you believe in piracy, then you have a problem, because you can't expect to pirate in Jamaica and then expect people to buy your content outside. So that's why we have said year after year that that is what it is.
The RJRGleaner Communications Group recorded net profit of $24 million for the first quarter ended June 30, a turnaround from the $70 million loss suffered in the corresponding period last year. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Gas prices are going up tomorrow. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $1.63 more. Automotive diesel will increase by $1.46, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will cost $1.62 more. Kerosene will cost $1.70 more. $1.81 will be added to the price of propane, while butane will go up by $2.45. Now, currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $137.24. The Canadian dollar is now at $104.42. The pound is going for $168.25, while the euro ended the day at $150.53. On the stock market, the JSE index lost 4,063 points today. The junior market index also declined by 36 points. Among the winners were Paramount Trading, Cygnus Credit Investments, G West Corporation, Stationery and Office Supplies, and Jamaica Producers Group. Now, among the losers were Sterling Investments, iCreate, Derrimon Trading, Salada Foods, and Lasco Manufacturing. And that's your Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.